God, guys, want to know what happened to my slime? See, I stored it in this container. It's slime actually. See, stretchy. It's really nice. A bit sticky, but really super nice. It just need a bit of massage so that all the air bubbles are gone, and so that it's not that sticky. It's super stretchy. The lumps are begin like the foam balls and made it like stretchy one slime. I will show you one lump. Here's one. Super hard, like foam balls. So it's making the slime crunchy. Like this.